Polycab India Limited. Yes, I hope everyone might be searching for Polycab India Limited. There is an fall of 20 percentage yesterday. The stock has fallen around 30 percentage from the all-time high. But what is exactly happening in the company, right? So there is some rumors around the company, as well as there is the fact about the news. How you should react to this? You should sell your stocks in the portfolio, or should hold your stock, or you should add more. Everything will be covered in this video, so please make sure to watch till the end. You will get an idea about what has happened in Polycab Group. Right, yesterday there was a news came from the media that says the Polycab India Limited has an unaccounted sale of 1,000 crores. Right, this is the news that came from the media. 1,000 crores of unaccounted sales has reported by CBDT, right, Central Board of Direct Tax. But is this news exactly from CBDT? Yes, we have to understand that thing also. The news officials or the news media says it was from the official department confirmed that Polycab is the company that has unaccounted sale of 1,000 crores. Yes, but what the company says about it? The company yesterday itself given confirmation to SEBI and Bombay Stock Exchange regarding the clarifications or the what the company's issue with it. The company officials says that there was a search conducted back in December, but the company has cooperated fully with the income tax department, and they didn't get any information regarding the raid conducted in December 23rd. So that exactly the company given the confirmation to the news came from the media. So this is all we have to understand. The company officials has didn't get any information from the CBDT, but Central Board of Direct Tax has informed that there is 1,000 crores of unaccounted sales about a company, but the Central Board of Direct Tax didn't actually confirm the name of it was Polycab. It was a media or rumors spreading around media. It was confirmed that it was a Polycab. It was Polycab. So this is all about the issue regarding Polycab. So I hope you get a clear idea about what was the Polycab issue and why is the Polycab has fallen 20%. So it was a rumor spreading around Polycab group, but it was never confirmed by the CBDT as well. There is a company, but CBDT never confirmed it was Polycab group. So these are facts we have to understand. Yes, we can now just look into the financial strength of the company. Yes, right. The stock has fallen 20%, but what the company's financial strength and what the business of the company is that good or bad? We have to examine that. The company came up with an IPO on 2009 with an issue price of 538. The listing gain is also has given to the investors, which is around 21% listing gain has got by the investors. Now imagine from 538 rupees to 5,000 rupees per share of the company. Imagine the growth rate of the company that has given to the investors. It is a multi-bagger stocks, and the investors one of the favorite stocks also giving dividend. There is everything will be fine. Everything is fine, but the thing is that the one news has fallen this much of market capitalization from the company. So we have to just move to the financial statements as well. So you can confirm that the company is having some issue over the long term, or this is a short term issue, right? As the stock Polycab is trading around 3,966 rupees now, which is after the fall, and the market capitalization has also reduced, which is around 59,556 crores, and stock P is 37, and when comparing with industry P, it is 40. So the valuation the valuation is less. And we all know that Polycab is one of the largest, fastest moving goods, electrical goods in the segment, which is second largest when comparing with the Havells market capitalization. Yes, let's look into the quarterly results of the company as well as the profit and loss of statement of the company. So let us understand, is this company growing or is this any issue with the company over the long term, right? So I'm just going to the quarterly results of the company. We can see in we can see in the quarter ended September 2020, the company has sale of 2,114 crores of sales, and we can see from the quarter itself, quarter on quarter sales, the company has been increasing the sales from every quarter, right? So there is no issue with the sale of the company as well as the profit of the company. Earning the company is increasing profit on every quarter, right? In 2020 quarter ended September 2020, there is a profit of 222, and in every quarter the company is increasing its profit. So let's move into the profit and loss statement also. Yes, I have taken the profit and loss statement from March 2014 to March 2023. Yes, we can see from 2014 to 2023, there is no issue in the sale of the company, and also the sale is increasing year on year. And also we can look into the profit and loss statement of the company. We can see the profit is also increasing year on year. So we can see from the financial statement itself, the company has no issue in generating sales as well as profit, and also giving dividend as well. So these all are the good element of the company. We also have to look into the company's financial statements, not just the short term about the company. The short term, the company has a rumor, right? The company has a rumor around the market. The company has evaded a tax of 200 crore. But the first thing we have to do is you can decide upon is this company is right valued at this time, or this is the right time to enter the stock based on the financial statements or the long-term perspective of your view on this company. And the second thing is you can wait for the confirmation from the media or confirmation from CBD. The income tax department didn't has given the name to the media that the company was Polycab. Yes, we can just look into the Polycab chart also. So what the chart says is, after the news came the monthly chart. This is a monthly chart of Polycab. After the news came, the Polycab has fallen this much, right? So there were never a fall like this before. In January 2024 month, the candle has given a massive fall in Polycab, right? So let's look into the technical analysis as well. I have marking. Yes, I have marking a trend line, which the stock has been testing the trend line for several times. Yes, here we can see the stock has tested around January 2021. Here we can see in July 2022, and the stock has been facing support near this trend line for several times. And yes, when we look into, yes, we can also draw like this. Yes, currently the stock has a great support near 3600 zone. Yes, 3600 zone is the 3600 zone is the possible support for Polycab. This is also this is only the technical view of this stock. So yes, I am concluding my Polycab India Limited analysis. First thing I have to say is there is no news from CBDT that Polycab is the company of 1000 crores of unaccounted sales, right? So another thing is that the company is now trading at a very low valuation at this point of time. And another thing we have to understand, the company has given a multi-fold return to the investors, and the company is giving a CAGR of 32% over the last 5 years, and the company is being profitable for several years, and the company also increasing profit every year, right? So these all are the positive signs as well as the long-term view on the Polycab. Right now there is a news, there is 1,000 crores of unaccounted sales and 200 crores were tax evaded, but these all are news, and there were no confirmation from the CBDT itself. When we're thinking about the Polycab long-term view, we can see that the company has more sales, and the company is increasing sales quarter on quarter, increasing sales year on year. The company is increasing profit year on year. So when we are thinking about the long term, the company is going to be growth at this point of time, right? So we have to understand these all things before taking any decisions.